Ho there! It is I, Professor Wattson. Do not be alarmed by my choice of transport. Today there will be no bumping, but only control and oh dear. Well, clearly there is a need for energy reliability. Which brings me to today's lesson. Using maintenance bypass for maximum reliability. Now, your UPS is a proven reliability measure, but it still needs maintenance, and sometimes replacement. Here's where the maintenance bypass comes in. It works alongside your UPS, keeping equipment running without interruption. For example, here is a UPS powering several servers and storage devices. Attached to the UPS, the bypass routes power from the utility to the infrastructure. When it's time for UPS maintenance, a flip of the switch feeds power to the IT equipment directly. Now you can remove the UPS with no interruption in power. And once the UPS is ready to support equipment again, you can bring it back online without load loss. And if the worst happens and your UPS fails, the bypass device keeps power flowing to your equipment for maximum uptime. Smashing! In a good way. Now my bumper carriage has the reliable power needed for my departure. Cheerio!